So the fire alarm is going off at the Alberta Children's Hospital. I'm surprised the elevators aren't being recalled.
We're just gonna wait for a second. No, honey, I think it's probably a false alarm, but we just have to wait and see. We're not gonna go in the elevator just in case. Okay? Did you have fun at music, Sammy? No, it's just the alarm.
It's just the fire alarm symbol.
Go talk to Auntie Leah. Did you have fun at music? Yeah. Did you sing?
See, fire alarm's going
Did you
off.
dance? Who did we see at music? Yes, honey. Listen, the fire alarm is going off. Are you okay or are you scared? Well, listen. If it was serious, they'd be telling us it's serious. Okay? Listen,
Code red, level 0, clinical genetics. Code red, level 0, clinical genetics. Code red, level 0, clinical genetics.
They burn toast in genetics?
Well, now we know what the fire alarm sounds like.
Listen, we can go in the elevator to genetics. It's pretty fun. I'm just not sure if they want us to be. I don't see staff leaving, so maybe not much of a concern.
I knew something would happen. Let's go see the hallway. I don't know if this is like some sort of test. Yeah, the front doors are shut. What's going on? Yeah, see, fire alarms are going off. Said code red, level 0. I'm not. They just silenced it. I don't know if it was like some sort of test or something.
No, you need to stop the thing.
Yeah, fire alarms went off at the Alberta Children's Hospital. Yeah, it said code red was on level 0. I'm surprised. Like, the elevators aren't recalled. I'm really surprised. Like, there's no fire recall going on in the elevators. Yeah. Very odd. Because I knew something was going to happen on the way here. I don't know how, but for some reason I just did. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated if the alarm goes off again. That's it. Alright, so the fire trucks, the fire department is here in the hospital. I'm on the main floor, and the fire department is here. See? There's a fire truck up there. I'm not going to show people though. That's it. Alright, so they just said code red level 0 all clear, or lower level, however you want to say it. They just said code red level 0 all clear. It was obviously some sort of false alarm. There's a train over there. Yeah, it was obviously some sort of false alarm. Yeah, those of you that are wondering what type of alarm this is an Edwards remote strobe, and this is the speaker, so it's a speaker strobe, but the strobes are away from each other. I'm gonna head out here, show you. There's a fire truck out here. Go ahead and show you. See? It's a fire truck. Fire department's here. I'm not gonna head outside though. There are 2 fire trucks. See? I'm not gonna film anybody because I want to get copyright. See, there's 2 fire trucks there. I don't know if you can see a second one. Yeah, it's a false alarm. That's it.